Make quick work out of loads of twigs, brush, and branches while turning your yard waste into beneficial mulch with the CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Sunjoe. Its powerful 15-amp motor easily crushes, chips, and shreds branches up to 1.73 inches wide, while the 21-to-1 reduction ratio reduces sticks and dead vegetation to nutrient-rich ground cover, ideal for gardens and flower beds. Simply fill and empty the included collection bag or set it aside and make a mulch pile wherever it's needed. The chipper shredder comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a large transport handle for maximum mobility around the yard and garden. And Sunjoe's safety features include a paddle feeder and a built-in safety switch. Plus, every CJ603E comes complete with a 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So go with Joe and get set to make more mulch. CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Sunjoe. Get equipped.